Getting pre-approved. If you're interested in becoming a homeowner, the first thing is not to head out to the open houses, it's getting pre-approved. Hi everyone, I'm Liliana with Excellence Real Estate and Homes by Liliana. So what is pre-approval and what do you need to do? Pre-approval is a verification of your ability to borrow money to purchase a home. A lender will look at your credit score to see what programs you might qualify for and what interest rates are available for you. And would also need the following documentations: your ID, your social security, your last 2 years of tax returns, and your pay stubs. If you are a self-employed, your lender will also require the last 2 years of your business tax returns, the last 3 months of profit and loss statements. Based on this information, your lender might be able to issue you a pre-approval. The pre-approval should state the maximum amount you can borrow in the financing program you qualify for. It will not only state an annual percentage rate or APR, because you need to have an actual property under contract to lock your APR. Your pre-approval letter is good for 90 days, after which you'll need to verify your information with your lender again. If you're not able to get a pre-approved letter, a good lender will provide information on what you need to do to work in order to get a pre-approval in the future. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. And if you find this beneficial, please like, comment, and share. And as always, make it a good home buying day.